ആ വെളുപ്പിന് പോകും. പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, നോക്കട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. അച്ഛൻ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ, കൊച്ചൻ എല്ലാവരും ഉള്ളോ?
You want to do an interview?
I'm okay.
Oh, 1 second. What's your name?
Rachel,
Which church you belong to?
the Tampa Church in Florida.
Florida. You know anything about Kerala Church, where your parents belong?
My dad goes to the Thrissur Church.
Trishur.
Yeah.
Your mother?
My mother is from Bangalore, so
When was the last time you went to India?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. You like India?
Yeah.
Kerala?
Yeah, I like Kerala a lot.
What do you do?
I'm in high school, so
What do you want to become?
probably something in psychology. Yeah.
Is it a master's program or graduation program?
I think graduate.
Graduate. You have any singing caliber or
No, not really.
not really?
No.
Can you sing one line?
Of what song?
Anything biblical or anything more? You whatever you like. What she knows?
I don't know that song.
Just your dad.
No, teach me how it goes. Teach me how it goes.
Can you sing with her?
What song?
I don't know.
Yeah. Okay.
Even if an interview from Bella.
Yeah, that's okay. I will do it. I can do it. Yeah, can you sing one line?
Do you know any songs?
You just sit.
What song should we do?
Sophie knows songs.
Yeah, I think Sophie's really good at singing.
Yeah, but you also can. Just sing.
I am a sing.
You want to say something about your schooling or your church or something?
I love my church. I love all the people in it. I think it's a really good community.
What do you do at church? Any special duty you have at church, or in choir, or reading, or anything?
I mean, I do a lot of psalm readings and stuff usually, and then after church we clean it, like the youth cleans the church.
I do too.
What do you do?
I clean the bathroom.
You reach church at the right time, or you reach before?
We reach usually like 30 minutes to an hour before because my mom's a secretary, so she has to open the church.
Thank you.
Thank
Who
you.
is your achan now?
We don't have an achin.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah.
Then who is doing the pastor care?
We have an achin that comes from Orlando. He's a Methodist achin though, so
No, CSA achan comes.
no, we don't have it. We
You
want
are
to
in
get
Florida.
one. Yeah.
Okay. How many families are there?
I'd say like 15 maybe. Not too much.
Thank you. You been to Houston?
No, I haven't.
No? Okay. Come to Houston
Okay.
and stay with us. You know?
Okay.
Me and my wife is here. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
You
you.
welcome. Okay. അതെ ഇവിടെ ഈ സ്റ്റോമൊക്കെ ഒരു ഭയങ്കര
പരിശുദ്ധൻ മഹോന്നത ദേവൻ പരമെങ്ങും വിളങ്ങും മഹേശൻ സ്വർഗീയ സൈന്യങ്ങൾ വാഴ്ത്തി സ്തുതിക്കുന്ന സ്വർലോക നാഥനാം മിശിഹാ പരിശുദ്ധൻ മഹോന്നത ദേവൻ പരമെങ്ങും വിളങ്ങും മഹേശൻ സ്വർഗീയ സൈന്യങ്ങൾ വാഴ്ത്തി സ്തുതിക്കുന്ന സ്വർലോകനാഥനാം മിശിഹാ ഹല്ലേലൂയാ 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 ആമേൻ.
എൻ്റെ യേശു എത്ര നല്ലവൻ, അവൻ എന്നെന്നും മതി.